Okay, so this is the reformatted Excel spreadsheet for the population table into a CSV file. Has 650 rows, all the data going down. Then this is the reformatted counties Excel CSV file, and all the information going down the side. Then on my databases, first of all, population. Just to browse, 650 in total, all down the bottom. Then the structure. The county is varchar with 15. The year is an int and the population is an int, and to import it, I just clicked on here, chose file, made sure it was a CSV file, and then imported it all after it's reformatted. Then counties, 26 rows in total, all down there, with the headings on the top. And the structure. Counties is varchar 15, province varchar 15, grant allocations is 11, and area is 11. And then to import it was just the same. Choose file, make sure it's CSV, and then import it up. Over here I have all my queries. Question 1 queries from 1A down to 1I, and question 2 queries from 2A down to 2H. All the queries are just in that. Then on my CA1 analysis goes from question 1B, that's the output, to question 1B, question 1C, question 1D, and question 1E had a graph. It was to graph the population for Ireland for each census year from 1841, and to comment on whether it is rising or falling. My comment was that the population was at a dropping point between around 1880 to 1960, but from then on it has risen ever since. Then that's the answer to question 1F. Question 1G was to plot the populations from 1961 to 2016 of Dublin separate from the remainder of the county. So Dublin is the blue dots and the rest of the county is the orange dots, and it was to comment on the graph. And my comment was that Dublin makes up roughly half of the country's total population each year. As the population in the country grows, Dublin's does as well. So the years are along the bottom and the population are up along the left. Then question 1H was just, I put a trend line through the Dublin plot to get an estimate of my prediction. And my prediction was that Dublin will exceed 2 million in population by year 2025. And again, the years are along the bottom and the population up along the left. Question 1I, I have the query, but I didn't know what way to graph it, so I had to skip that one. That's 2B, 2C, 2D, 2E, 2F, so that was to the average populations for each province from all census years. The years, there was too much of them, so it didn't come out properly on the graph, but all the counties are along the bottom and the average populations are among the top, and all the data is along the side. Then 2G, this was to compare the difference in population density in 1841 and 2016. The populations along the bottom and the area in square meters is along the side. And then it was to comment on this, and my comment was that the population density in 2016 is lower than that of 1841. And the last one was make a graph about the grant allocations given to each county, and I found, so I've got a plot that has all the counties along the bottom, and the blue bars are the grant allocations going up, and the numbers are along the side. And then my comment was that I find the allocations to each county for grants are fair, as the bigger the population is in each country, the more money goes towards grants. And that's it.